what are the highlights of Atomi's marketing plan. And I will be explaining this to you one by one because I really believe that this system works for everyone, no matter what type of status we may have, what educational background we may have. So the first highlight of Atomy marketing plan is, of course, there is no registration fee. It emphasizes the accessibility of Atomy. Unlike many business opportunities, Atomy lets you join completely for free. So meaning to say, if your friend asks you, do you want to join Atomy? Do you want to be my consumer? If they ask you, to pay 5 euros or 10 euros or 50 euros to join the Atomy business, you actually have to report them to Atomy because there is no registration fees. It's for free, it's zero. There's no financial barrier to get started. These open doors for everyone, regardless of background or income level. And number two is there is no starter package. There's actually no pressure to buy expensive starter kits or bulk products. You only buy what you personally use or want to share. So Atomy will not even pressure you. Okay, you have to buy this whole pack of skincare because you will use it for your business. Yes, it's true. We will use it for our business. But what if I decided myself to just share the benefits of toothbrush or share the benefits of toothpaste? Of course, that is completely possible, right? So I could just buy toothpaste for myself, explore what are the benefits of the toothpaste, and share the benefits of the toothpaste to my potential clients or to my friends so that they could also access a very good quality product such as the Atomy toothpaste. And number three is we actually have a binary system. The binary structure means each member builds two groups, a left group and a right group. So later on, I'm going to be showing you a picture of what the binary system looks like. This system is designed to encourage teamwork, duplication, and balanced growth. So if some of you may not know, Atomy is a network marketing business. So if you are already in if you already have an experience with network marketing, some other companies they have a different structure. They have a more complex structure wherein you as a distributor or a business partner will have to build six different legs, where in fact in Atomy it's just two legs, one left and one right. It's like human, right? We only have two legs, left and right. And number four is the global marketing. It's not here, but this is also part of the marketing plan highlights. So Atomy operates in multiple countries with a single membership. So that means that our network can grow globally, not just locally. Also, the purchases from around the world can contribute to your or our group success. And the next one is the unlimited level. Atomy's compensation structure doesn't restrict how deep your team can grow. The efforts of your entire network can benefit you no matter how many levels below. Okay? So, for example, if I know 1 million people, so what am I doing right now is, for example, I'm going everywhere around. I have my Atomy brochure with me, my Atomy leaflet. I have some sample products all the time in my bag. I have my phone, I have my microphone, and I ask people from everywhere I go to try my products because I really wanted to build my business, right? So if I were you, if you are already doing the Atomy business, you shouldn't be shy because Atomy is not for shy people, but you will develop it, okay, along the way. Now, I would like to emphasize the power of this duplication, teamwork, and consistency can bring compounding results or big results in growing your Atomy business. Lastly, we have the ID inheritance system. Atomy offers an ID inheritance system. Your business and residual income can be passed on to your family up to the third generation. So this gives the opportunity to build generational wealth, not just for short-term income. So say for example, if I die, we will all go to that, okay? If I die, everything that I worked for, um, all the customers that I have within my line will be passed on to my children or up to my grandchildren. So meaning the children of my children. So therefore, my conclusion, Atomi's marketing plan isn't about quick money. It's about building something that actually lasts for a lifetime. It is simple, it is fair, and a global system where your efforts today can pay off for years to come. All right. So maybe some of you already know that Atomy is an shopping mall. Is a shopping mall. So Atomy is a global online shopping mall that distributes different products like health product, skincare, personal care, food products, clothes, appliances, and so on. Actually, in South Korea, we have, I believe, 500 plus different products available for for its consumers. Okay, and as I've said, we are global, so which means that everywhere in the world, Atomy is accessible online. So as of this time, we are already open to 56 different countries worldwide. But maybe you are asking, okay, if I don't want to be, selling the products or doing the business, how can I earn through my personal purchases? Because that is also possible. You can earn through your personal purchases by simply, using the products, or if you actually want to grow the generation of your business, you can be a full-time Atomy distributor or business owner. But how can we actually earn? So I highlighted, as you can see on your screen, I highlighted, for example, for the toothpaste, I have here what is that, like 4,000 PV. For the toothbrush, 5,000 PV. For Hemohim, 73,000 PV. And for Absolute Night Mask, 21,000 PV. And for Vitamin C, 9,000 PV. So PV means point value. Okay, let's talk about one of the most important parts of Atomy compensation system, the point value. PV determines how commissions and rewards are calculated in Atomy. Every product in Atomy, as I've shown a while ago on my previous slide, have assigned PV or point value to it. So again, PV stands for point value. It's a way for Atomy to measure your business activity and progress. The more PV you accumulate, the higher your potential earnings and commission level will be. So think of PV as credit points you earn from product purchases and team growth. And as you can see onto your screen, we have two types of PV. We have personal PV. These are the points you earn from your own purchases, meaning when you use your personal account, you accumulate personal PV. This determines your personal rank and your eligibility for commissions. Let's say, for example, when you buy products for personal use, the PV adds to your PPV. So if you can just go back here on the previous slide, say, for example, I really wanted to look forever young. So I'm gonna buy the Atomy's Absolute Night Mask with 24K gold so that my skin will be revitalized and it will give me an anti-aging effect because of the gold. Now, if I purchase this Atomy Gold Night Mask using my personal account, I will be accumulating 21,000 points on my accounts. So that is my PPV or personal point value. However, we also have what we call the group PV or GPV. So these are the points accumulated from your team's purchases or your consumers' purchases. So we always have to encourage our customers to purchase online rather than to buy from us, of course. Both left and right groups in your network. So it determines the size and performance of your team. This is how teamwork multiplies your earning potential. So let us put it in simple phrase. In short, personal PV shows your own activity while your group PV reflects your team's collective strength. Together, they determine your commission level. All right, so now I would just like to let you know that in Atomy's fair compensation plan, there are different sources of income from Atomy. So there are four sources of income from Atomy. The first one is the general commission, commission for mastership, bonus for mastership, and commission for educational center. Okay. So we will go ahead first to our general commission, which is calculated daily and issued weekly. So it is being issued by Atomy directly to your bank account every Tuesday. And if you could remember, I was telling you that I will show you the binary system. So this is how the binary system looks like. So the circle U, so this determines your PPV. You have your left group here, so someone from Spain, someone from Germany, from let's say Belgium, Korea, so on and so forth on your left side. And on your right, you have some people from UK, from France, from Romania, because our system is available worldwide. Okay, so all you need to do is to introduce the products to your potential clients from all over the world, give them their own account, provide them information about our products, let them purchase directly online. So this is the binary system. We have our left and we have our right. So in general commission, I will not be explaining it in detail, but I would just like to let you know that you will be earning minimum 45 euros, or let's say we also have 15 euros in minimum, but here on the picture that I'm showing you, you have 45 euros minimum per day. And as your network grows, as your customers grows, your income will eventually be about 900 euros per day. But as again, while I was explaining the active income versus passive income, even though I tell you right now that you could be earning approximately 900 euro per day, this is not simple. Okay, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of um, rejections before we could go onto that amount. So if you are willing to invest your time, to invest your effort, if you are willing for learning, then you will definitely arrive to 900 euros per day. Okay, but then again, will be for myself, for example, if I earn 45 euros per day, I'm already very happy because it's already, a passive income. So now I will begin by explaining again the Atomy's General Commission. This is the basic form of income for Atomy members earned through product purchases made by their customers or downline on the left and the right group. It's a key part of Atomy's binary compensation system. So as I've said about the binary system, each member has two groups, a left group and a right group. Points from product purchases by you or your team are called personal points. And group points. So to receive commission, you must balance both sides. So as you can see here, for example, your personal points is 300,000, left points is 300,000, right points is 300,000. You earn 45 euros. So maybe you're asking, okay, what are the requirements to qualify? First, of course, you must register as an Atomy member, as a distributor. Then you must accumulate at least 10,000 personal points to become eligible for commissions. And then once your downline accumulate on the left and right, 300,000, 300,000 each, then you get your first commission. Okay. So what are the key tips to maximize accumulation build for both of your legs evenly? Okay. We have to promote or share the benefits of our products to every stranger we meet on a daily basis. This is how we can get our business going. Okay, so let me just inform you that your personal points will not decrease, it will just increase whenever you purchase something. But if you do not have an activity within your personal account for 12 months or 1 year, then your account will be terminated. Okay? So next one, we also have the mastership commission that is calculated and issued every 15 days. So it's what we call a challenge, okay? So we can actually achieve our mastership commission every 1 to 15th of the month and 16th up to the end of the month. So it is calculated every 15 days. We have 7 types of mastership for some people who are listening to us for the first time. This will sound kind of strange, but this is, the mastership commission from Atomy. The first one is the Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and Imperial Master. And of course, since this is an additional higher commission, we have the requirements to qualify. If we would like to become a Diamond Master, as what is shown on the picture, we must have 1.5 million personal points and 2 Sales Master on the left group, 2 Sales Master on the right group. If we qualify for Sales Master and if we maintain our Sales Master status, our monthly income will be 1,500 euros. So if I'll think of it, 1,500 euros, so it's actually close to a minimum salary of a minimum wage earner here in Belgium. So it's not bad, right? So by simply introducing the products to others, um, and going out of your comfort zone, sharing your experience about the products, you will be earning 1,500 euros per month. And again, for for as long as the business grows, the network grows, your income will reach to 90,000 euros per month. Okay, but then again, I will just reiterate because I do not want to create any confusion in our heads that okay, when I join Atomy, I'm gonna earn 90,000 euros. It's like winning the lottery. Of course not, because it takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of power power from you. Okay, so again, 1.5 Sales Master, if you maintain it, and if you maintain your Imperial Mastership, you will have 90,000 euros per month. And we only not earn Mastership commission, but if we can achieve our mastership for the first time, we are also issued a mastership bonus. So every time we achieve the mastership for the first time. So say for example, if I achieve my sales mastership for the first time, I'm gonna receive on top of the general commission mastership bonus, I will be achieving a mastership bonus of 1 evening care set that costs 37 euros and one absolute set that costs 195 euros. And Diamond Master, 750 euros in cash plus evening care set. Shadow Rose Master, Star Master, and of course the ultimate goal, Imperial Master. If we become an Imperial Master for the first time, we will have one-time bonus of 740,000 euros, promotional tour, 10 nights, 11 days, 4 tickets. Plus, we will have sponsorship sponsorship money activity for our activities per month. We will have a luxury car, a driver, and of course, an office. So we just have one, yes, okay, yes, Jenny, I will be explaining about the coupon code later on. I will be showing it as well. All right. So, um, now, after the mastership bonus, we also have, of course, the education center commission that is 6% out of the total purchases of our of the people um, that are included or subscribed in your center. So where do we use the 6%? We use it for the utility bills of the center, the rent of the center. We use it for education, so on and so forth. And why is Atomy such a very good company when it comes to success system or educational system? Why? Because Atomy is providing us a lot of free seminars. Sometimes we have to pay, very minimal, €3. Um, we are provided with Success Academies, 1 day seminar wherein we will learn about products, about system, marketing plan, and we will hear a testimonial of some people who already move on to their mastership, or they already have higher mastership, they achieve financial freedom, so on and so forth. We also have a center meeting. That's what we are doing right now. We have online seminar and global seminar. By the way, guys, if on Friday on 14th,